Everyone thinks the best-selling smart fish tank monitors are automatically the best ones. But is that really true? If you look a little closer, the story is actually quite different. Product number 1, PAIZOO Digital Thermometer. The PAIZOO Fish Tank Digital Thermometer caught my attention right away, especially at just $9.99. With its high accuracy and LED display, it's hard to overlook. If you want reliable temperature readings for your tank, this is worth a serious look. This thermometer features a high-definition LED display that makes reading the temperature effortless, day or night. It accurately measures between 0 and 40 degrees F, which is perfect for various aquatic life, and refreshes every 5 seconds, so you won't miss any critical changes. The cordless design ensures no messy wires in your tank, creating a clean environment for your fish. With over 6,000 reviews and a solid 4.5-star rating, it's clear that many users trust it for their tanks. Now, some people complained about the adhesive not sticking well over time. Here's the thing though, if you follow the instructions and place it correctly, it generally stays put. This product is perfect for anyone looking for a straightforward solution without breaking the bank. This is perfect for you if you want a no-fuss thermometer that delivers accurate readings without the hassle. Skip this one if you need something more advanced with connectivity features. It's a fantastic value for the price. Product number 2, QZQ Wireless Touch Thermometer. Next up is the QZQ Fish Tank Thermometer, which is priced at just $6.89. Its compact design and wireless touch feature really caught my eye. If you want an easy-to-read thermometer that doesn't clutter your tank, this is worth considering. With an LED display, this thermometer gives you clear readings regardless of lighting conditions, ensuring you always know your water's temperature. It has a measurement range of 0 degrees C to 60 degrees C and an accuracy of plus or minus 1 C, making it reliable for fresh and saltwater tanks alike. Installation is a breeze, just stick it on the outside of your tank and you're set. Plus, it boasts a battery life of up to a year, which is impressive for the price. It has around 1,800 reviews and maintains a 4.5-star rating. However, a few users pointed out that the adhesive can wear off over time. Honestly, this isn't a deal-breaker if you're aware of it and can check the thermometer occasionally. This product is great for those who value simplicity and efficiency in monitoring their tank's temperature. This is perfect for you if you want a low-maintenance thermometer that's easy to install. Skip this one if you prefer a more advanced device with data logging capabilities. For the price, it's a steal. Product number 3, Yeolink Smart X3 Temperature Logger. Now let's talk about the Yeolink Smart X3. Priced at $38.99, this thermometer caught my attention for its impressive features. If you need a smart solution that alerts you about temperature changes, this is worth a serious look. This device offers a range of applications beyond just fish tanks, including pools and hot tubs, making it quite versatile. It can send alerts via SMS, emails, or app notifications when temperatures go out of range, ensuring you're always informed. With a battery life of over 5 years, you won't have to worry about changing batteries frequently. However, it's important to note that it requires a Yeolink hub, which is sold separately. This model has received high praise with a 4.5-star rating from over 850 reviews, indicating reliability. Some users have noted the additional cost of the hub as a downside. Look, while it's an extra expense, the peace of mind you get from the alerts might just make it worth it for serious aquarium enthusiasts. This is perfect for you if you need advanced monitoring and instant updates on your tank's conditions. Skip this if you're looking for something basic without extra setup costs. It's a solid investment for those who want to stay proactive. Product number 4, Dropletix 10-in-1 Test Kit. Next is the Dropletix Digital Aquarium Water Test Kit, priced at $34.99. This caught my eye for its ability to test multiple parameters. If you want a thorough analysis of your tank's water quality, this is worth looking into. This kit allows you to monitor essential water parameters like pH, ammonia, and nitrate levels, which are critical for maintaining healthy fish tanks. The app-enabled feature means you can get instant lab-grade results just by scanning the test strips, eliminating the hassle of color guessing. It's compatible with various tank types from freshwater to saltwater. With about 397 reviews and a 4-star rating, it's clear that users appreciate the convenience and accuracy. However, some users mention that the app could use improvements in usability. I'll be real with you, while the app isn't perfect, the accuracy and ease of use with the test strips outweigh the minor app issues. This is perfect for you if you want comprehensive water testing in one package. Skip this one if you're looking for a more straightforward solution without app integration. It's a valuable tool for serious aquarium keepers. Product number 5, Gain Express pH and Temperature Meter. Last up is the Gain Express Digital Combo pH and Temperature Meter, priced at $36.90. I was intrigued by its dual functionality. If you need precise pH and temperature readings, this is definitely worth a look. This device accurately measures pH levels from 0 to 14 with an impressive accuracy of plus or minus 0.1. It features a large LCD display, making it easy to read the results, even in dim lighting. Plus, it includes a low battery indicator, which is a nice touch. With about 496 reviews and a 4.2-star rating, it's clearly a reliable option. However, a few users found the calibration process to be a bit tricky. Here's the thing though, once you get the hang of it, the accuracy you gain is worth the effort. This is perfect for you if you want a detailed analysis of your water quality. Skip this one if you're not keen on monitoring pH levels seriously. Overall, it's a great investment for anyone serious about their aquarium. To wrap it all up, we've covered a range of smart fish tank monitors that cater to different needs. From the budget-friendly PAIZOO to the comprehensive Dropletics kit, each option has its own strengths. Whether you're looking for simplicity, advanced features, or thorough testing, there's a perfect match for every aquarium enthusiast.